This is Rajesh. His company's profit margin significantly decreased compared to the last financial year, and therefore, they require the assistance of a reputable company to increase operational efficiency and performance of staff members. NDJ Consultants is one of the industry leaders with more than 20 years' experience. This is Nadia, the strategic guru at NDJ. This is Anja, the operational guru at NDJ. NDJ Consultants is a skills development firm who specializes in business and professional skills designed to assist companies in achieving desired outcomes through focusing people on organizational visions and improving strategic intent, professional conduct, working relationships, and culture in order to boost productivity. The key to their success lies in superior subject matter knowledge, as well as a practical approach in order to fill the gap between textbook and real-life scenarios. Their vision is to help people and businesses build their skills by providing exceptional services, products, and solutions through the use of highly skilled personnel that will facilitate the effective use of their resources at the highest level of personal interaction with their clients. What differentiates them from other training companies is the fact that they also take on the role of a strategic partner, in which comprehensive feedback is provided to clients after each training session to provide guidance in knowing which problems need to be addressed in order to increase operational efficiency and profitability. All programs can be presented at your premises for groups of 5 or more on dates suitable to you.